Good day, internet. Welcome back to Where to Project. Another beautiful day and another beautiful ride to share. Today, normally we'll be exploring in Abidjan, the industrial area, as we are heading that side. So why not share the rides and you guys from wherever you are watching, so that you can enjoy the view and sit all by yourself from Abidjan. Once again, welcome to Abidjan and enjoy the ride. So we'll be heading to Cacao and Côte. Cacao and Côte is one of the industrial area where a lot of new companies are establishing. So it will be good if you are an investor willing to invest in Africa. So today's ride is especially for you to explore the area where you can do so. As normally we'll be sharing how I ride. It's quite hot, it's sunny. We are really approaching the heat wave period in Abidjan. Normally from November up to March it's quite hot. But once more, welcome back and enjoy the ride. So this ride might be something about an hour before we get where we're going. Show you around Cacao and Côte, the area with a lot of industries, manufacturing companies, most of them. That's welcome to Abidjan. Guys will realize that I stopped the sound, the music, because my last videos were deleted because of copyright. I usually share my rides the way I see them, so I really don't edit the videos, as I want you to feel the original experience that normally we're experiencing in Abidjan. A lot of people, I've seen in the comments, people were asking about cost of living in Ivory Coast. For sure, yes. There's another video that I made where I was inside a supermarket. For sure, the cost of living in Ivory Coast, especially for the expatriate, it's quite high. Here I'm comparing with a country like South Africa, because I know well South Africa as well. So if you're in South Africa and willing to relocate to Abidjan, bear in mind that you need to pay 3 times on everything, from the rental of your apartment, like 2 bedrooms apartment. In South Africa, it's something you pay about 5,000, 6,000, 8,000 rand, depending on the area. That is normally 3 times here in Abidjan. Things like wine, imported stuff, fish are quite expensive. So yeah, but it depends also when we talk about the cost of living, on what you're gonna be doing. As a businessman, Ivory Coast normally is doing very well when it comes to business. So if you're making your money, then you'll be able to spend. There's no problem. So it's affordable. Normally it's affordable. What I like here is the quality of life is quite good. You can see by yourself, everywhere is green. The oxygen is good. Medical system is good. Also the education system is good. Just one thing maybe they need to improve is about technical education. They need more to focus on technical education, because we have this traditional way of education in Africa, where people have to spend like 5 years, 6 years at university to get a degree, and after that people will be struggling to find jobs, employment. So a country like South Africa, they understood this point that we needed to have skilled people. So then they invest a lot in tertiary education, where they implement what they call as colleges. So colleges normally, it's usually technical education, like under civil engineering, electrical engineering, chemical engineering, where students can go to the college and has a diploma within 2 years and now become employable, find work. But as the country now, Ivory Coast, is a lot of industries are really coming in. I think the government also must try to kick in and invest more in skill development, so that the labor must be local, and that's how you create employment. Otherwise, guys, you can see by yourself that the country is good. It's green everywhere, nice, good to see. And once more, welcome to Abidjan. So here we are taking a road that leads to the north-south, or Yamoussoukro. Sorry. Really nice. And also, this is what they refer as Autoroute du Nord, where we are heading. So if you go this way, you can reach out to Burkina Faso. Can you see, guys, how green is Abidjan? The ecosystem is really well respected. There are trees everywhere. It's green. So when you walk out there, you feel like breathing fresh air. Again, this is one other thing you see everywhere. There are the cameras, so that must respect your maximum speed, which is usually 70 kilometers an hour. So I'm gonna go this way, I believe. So we are heading toward PK24. So we're gonna be visiting one biggest chocolate processing company that the government, the joint venture of the government, and I guess it's been done by the Chinese. It's a big one, and you need to remember that Ivory Coast, I think, is the world producer of cacao, raw material used in the making of chocolate. We do have some companies that process the chocolate locally. We have a company like Olam. So Olam, they collect the raw chocolate from all over Ivory Coast, but they don't make chocolate. They just make chocolate paste. And this chocolate paste now is sent to overseas, like France, USA, Canada, where they will make the actual chocolates and then send them back here. Quite funny in Africa. So they'll send them back here as a finished product. Similar thing you see in a lot of countries in Africa. Like if you go to the country like the DRC, they've got those big trunk for wood, which they'll send to China as a raw material, and then the China will process them, make some furnitures like tables, beds, and bring back here at a very high cost. I think that economy system is very bad for Africa. That is what we need to change. We need to change really if we want to see Africa try to improve or improve people's life. So we need to ask those people to bring factories in Africa so that they process our raw material locally. So that will be easier for us to create more employment. Because if the raw material normally has been processed locally here, create employment and young people will get work. As you can see there, that they are extending everywhere you go in Abidjan. There are new projects, extending the roads, bridges, quite amazing. So on my right hand side, this is normally one forest. Things must be a park, a reserve. This is normally what provides us with some good oxygen. Enjoy the ride. All I do is to take you with me and enjoy the view locally in Abidjan, in Ivory Coast. So we are heading to Beka24. As you see, beautiful Abidjan. On my left hand side, people used to live there, and the area normally is not a safe zone, so they came and relocated everyone by force, because during the raining season there are some inundation, and I see now they put it for rental. Once more, welcome to Abidjan. So ça c'est, this is autoroute du Nord, moving forward to where the north part of the country. Last time we drove on the other side, the Bassam, a very old area, but this time heading toward north, and we are at the autoroute du Nord. Beautiful, guys. Seems like you are heading to traffic, but don't worry, I guess it won't be. Guys are driving very fast, flying. Sorry. Tell us from where you are watching this video in the comment section, please. And if this is your first time, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. I've seen the channel is growing every day. The more subscribers we get, the more it motivates us to keep sharing these beautiful rides from Abidjan, Côte d'Ivoire. Yaya Touré and Didier Drogba's country. What good, again, I know about Ivory Coast is the electricity, very, very stable. So, and if you you come in Ivory Coast, they do have the prepaid system, prepaid meters, if you want, where you recharge the way you recharge the airtime on your cell phone, or the direct line, where you use the electricity and then they'll come to check the meter, how much power have you consumed, and they charge you on that. But if one had to ask me, it depends normally, especially for domestic use, I think it's fair to apply for prepaid, because you'll be paying for what you use. Because if you get direct line, remember you pay for what we call apparent power. Because for the direct line, they charge you for what they supply you, and the electricity that normally is lost throughout the transmission line, you still have to pay for it. While if you opt for prepaid, you only pay for what you use. As this is the area is called Yopougon. This is also one industrial area, Marathon side. Most of the industries here, like processing, like this one here, is a company processing cooking oil, packaging companies. We also got Nestle for milk. Most of them are based in this section here, Yopougon. But maybe another day we'll go through. But today we are heading to Cacao ahead. Maybe we'll get there in the next 10 minutes from here. See, most of these tracks you see are going either to the north part of the country, Côte d'Ivoire, or they are going to Burkina Faso, neighboring country of Captain Ibrahim Touré. See that they are packed. Buses that are going toward the north part. Once more, welcome to Abidjan, Autorutino. Check out because there are people that are crossing. There's KFC. Lucky today there's no traffic. Sometimes there's traffic here, but we are lucky. This is how beautiful, guys, is Abidjan, Côte d'Ivoire. So if you love nature, come and visit Abidjan. You'll feel the nature. You feel the green color. Green is everywhere you go. Within the city is green, and it's even get better the more you are getting out of the city, as you can see. Beautiful, very nice. Wow, what a view. So I know maybe you are watching us from this big city where you don't often come to such places. So the purpose of this video normally is to take you in places where you could not be, because I'm sure you're feeling the same way we do currently. Beautiful view, nice to really to see. As we are heading to Cacao, an industrial area. In Ivory Coast, Côte d'Ivoire. Aux amis francophones, bonjour. Nous avons quitté aujourd'hui Abidjan Mall. Nous sommes en train de balader, faire un tour du côté de la zone PK24, ici à Abidjan. Comme vous pouvez le voir, Abidjan vraiment c'est merveilleux. Donc si vous aimez la nature, c'est ici qu'il faut venir visiter. Partout c'est la couleur des arbres, très joli. Il y a de l'air vraiment, de l'air frais comme je peux dire. Donc, bienvenue à Abidjan en Côte d'Ivoire. Nous vous aimons par ici. Aimez notre vidéo, commentez, dites-nous à partir d'où vous regardez la vidéo. Et puis abonnez-vous si possible, parce que cela nous encourage à partager nos balades de temps en temps. Commentez si possible. Once more, bienvenue à Abidjan. Ils ont aussi le système de péage. En fait, dans tous les pays où il y a le système de péage, vous allez vous rendre compte que l'état de route, c'est bon, parce que cet argent doit être utilisé pour entretenir la route. Guys, as you can see, we are approaching PK24. There are a lot of cement company. Guys, what you see in this car, this is cassava root. And in West Africa or in Abidjan, the food that is popular food, it's called acheke. Acheke is made using the cassava root, which you have to put in the water for 3 days and then squeeze it. But what I've realized that the process of making acheke is done manually. So if you are watching us from India, China, America, and you have an idea of making an automated system that, because all you need to make acheke is to squeeze the cassava root paste, remove the water, and the way they do it is usually manual. So if someone can come up with an idea of an automated system that must squeeze the water out from the paste, I think that's be something good here. Because in Abidjan, acheke is the most really popular food. So it's one tip I'm giving you. Bring us a beautiful, innovative idea. Okay, the guys on the right hand side, that is sample beton. It's also a very nice business here. Concrete mixer, where they make the concrete or the blocks for the construction. The country is developing, so these people thought, well, they brought factories to normally to pre-mix the concrete. We are almost there, guys. Our destination. There's another big company here called Brasivois. Can you see already in front of us? We are entering the industrial area. The bigger one there, it's called Class. Class normally they do animal packaging. Animal feed packaging. That one in front of us. And on the right hand side, this is Brasivois, where they make beer. For those who like beer, it's called Ivoire. So that's the right hand side. And for this journey today, I'm gonna take you inside here. PK 24. Gonna take to the area that the government has declared as an industrial park, where normally if you are willing to invest, you are welcome to bring projects, as the area really is developing. A lot of factories have been built, so welcome once more. Let us see how PK 24 will look like. So I'm entering an industrial area. So this is Brasivois. This is Brasivois, where the big beer. Not going there. Not go this way. Next sounds. I don't know what they do there. Brasivois side. Because everything you see here is industrial. There's another one big company there where they make things, cooking oil. See what's the name of that company. Wow. Gonna go this way. There's on my left hand side, this is Calivois. Calivois, I don't know what they do. Can you see, guys, that projects are ongoing projects everywhere. Factory. This is Côte. Yes, Côte. Can you see? Can you see these trucks? They usually come from neighboring country to come and collect the goods, because Ivory Coast got stable electricity. So this is Côte. They make oil, cooking oil. Yes. And we go down. Hope we'll see a lot. Before I proceed, let me see also on the left hand side. There's another one. When I go up, wow. Sorry. This one I don't see the name. talking about Moulin Sako. I think they make flour. They make flour there. Millis. Wow, guys, look in front of us. This is what I wanted to show you. The biggest chocolate processing factory that Ivory Coast is making. Amazing. That's not normally on the left hand side, but on the right hand side, can you see that normally factories are everywhere. They're building. So this area has been declared as an industrial area. So where now people, you can come, you buy land. If you have a big project, you start normally building. As you can see here, everywhere, big factories they're making. I think this one's almost finished. Lot of industries, guys. Nice experience. So, si vous êtes à Abidjan et que vous cherchez du travail, moi je pense c'est ici où il faut venir. Il faut venir en fait toquer. Surtout à ma gauche, let us see. This is beautiful. The newly, not yet operational, they are in the making. As they are making this biggest factory for chocolate processing. Look how good, amazing. I don't see the name. This is what we need. So Ivory Coast produce chocolate. Instead of it going to Europe, to China, wherever, they decided now to do something like this, to build a big factory to process the chocolate. And if you see in front of me on my left hand side, that is one cement company also. I think it's called Big Sim cement company. And also there's another one in front of me there. There's a concrete company, concrete business and block business normally is doing good. And everywhere you see that they are busy digging to try and build more. So the area is an industrial area and a lot is happening. So do not wait. This is the time to come and invest in Ivory Coast. Look guys, look, everywhere companies in construction. So at the way to projects, we inspire you, we inform you about business opportunities by sharing our rights. Beautiful guys, beautiful. This one here, they are in the, oh no way, in the making. Not here, on the side there. So this is PK24. Very nice. These are the things we need to talk about. So when you watch our channel, we make sure that normally we don't just entertain you, we also inform and inspire. Quite interesting. Just let us know if you're enjoying our ride at PK24. That one I don't know which factory is it. Let me pass through. Yes guys, this is chocolate factory under construction. The contractor normally are the Chinese. That is common in Africa. This entire factory normally has been built by the Chinese contractor. The sad part about China, they don't share the business with the locals. So when you see a business or any factory run by the Chinese, it doesn't really benefit the locals because they are kind of doing everything. Guys, beautiful. Wow, look there. So this is the newly constructed chocolate processing plant here in Abidjan, Peka 24. Not yet done. So you can look a view there, have a view. Beautiful. So if you are watching us from Ivory Coast, find out who is the employer. This is the time to look for work. Don't sit at home and wait. Make a move. Let's now see if there are more companies. Look guys, everywhere. This is the time to move in. Can you see on the right hand side? They are normally preparing the land for construction. That means everything is moving. If your money is lying somewhere there, you don't have any idea of what to do, bring it to Africa. The market is huge, plenty of opportunities. Nice guys to see around. Wow, still can see a lot. So everywhere I can see that a lot of companies. This is Peka 24, the industrial area in Abidjan, Ivory Coast. Look of the cars come to collect here. This is called Sigma, I believe. They make the cooking gas. On my left hand side, all these trucks are here to collect finished products and to be transported all over the country or in the neighboring countries as well. There's another country here, another company here. They make detergent, liquid soap. As we are live in Peka 24. Let me see. So can you see the call? This is a ZIC, Zone Industrielle de Cocody. The name of the area is Zone Industrielle de Cocody. Guys, look there. I'm gonna try to zoom for you. So there's a project to build a new industrial area. Look all over, everywhere I can see tractors preparing the soil, digging. So do not wait. This is the time to come and invest in Africa. Look at these guys. Gonna take you first this side. Wow, we still have lot of companies. That one, the recycled batteries. And this is one of the biggest cement producer called Big Sim. On the left hand side, this is a detergent company. They do make some detergent. here, as you see, beautiful. The owner, these are things for, I can see there, it's for India, this company. The owner is an Indian. However, the business in Ivory Coast is mainly dominated by the Lebanese. Lebanese are the one normally guys. All these trucks here are here to collect cement. They are here to collect cement at the biggest cement factory here in Abidjan called Big Sim. Can you see? So if you come with an idea to add another factory to make cement, so you shorten, this is Big Sim here, cement factory. Still a lot to see, guys. Still a lot to see around here. Interesting. All of these just are industrial factories all over. You can see a lot of cement, and this is one thing I wanted to visit. There's one new area where it seems like they are really so this is industrial Zone Industrielle de Cocody, and they still have the land available. So if you are willing to invest, look at that website, contact these guys. Can you guys see normally what is coming? This is not yet made, but is in the making. Zone Industrielle de Cocody. You can see a lot of stuff. Really informative, quite interesting. A lot of industries all over here. This is good. Really, guys, quite interesting. Wow, I've seen another one there. I'm just following the road as okay, and it here. Wow, look at that. Very big. So I'm not gonna get there. That normally must be a cement. It's not a cement company. So I'm gonna turn around here. So this is Zone Industrielle for investors. You are welcome to bring your project. I think this is one of the best trips ever shared because it's much informative for business people. As we visited the industrial area in Abidjan. I wanted to see this side, but I wonder if the road is good. So let us go back. So this one here is the cement company called Big Sim. They make cement with a big plant here, very big one. See? Look at that. It's big thing. Big. Have a look, guys. Big plant here. Have a look. This is for cement. But I'm seeing everywhere there are new factories. This way. Wow, there's still a lot of factories there. So you can see a lot of factories, and most of them are just new. That means people are busy planning. Always good to plan in advance. Not good to wait until it's too late. There's another one here, the big one. They do make detergents, I believe. Up there. And can you see, guys, that's new factories in the making.
One more time.
Look there. Okay, let's try this way. Maybe we'll see something there. Everywhere, guys. Constructions of new factories. And this is a good sign for the development.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So look about the ZIC, Zone Industrielle de Cocody. Apply for the land. Oh guys, beautiful. Okay, let us give it a try. You can see there. They are also busy. You see there, the tractor there. Okay. I'm gonna take a chance. I'm gonna take I see it's the Chinese also. I'm sure this project normally is in I think it must be in partnership with the Chinese guys. Can you see there? Okay, let us go this way. Maybe it's gonna be interesting. Now I'm just getting into the gravel roads here. Just I wanna see what is in front there. Always say that knowledge is power. It's good to know. And at the Word Project, we are helping you so that you guys can know this area is the plot, even the road is under construction. This one here is the Chinese company. They make construction materials. Quite beautiful. Now let me turn and show you maybe from here the view. I wanted to see there. This is the new area. This is the new industrial area. Can you see, guys, there? They are making roads, bridges, and everything seems to be good. There. Turn there. I'm gonna go back upstairs. Is this the new industrial area? A lot happening, guys. A lot what's happening here. Informative. I never knew about the ZIC or la Zone Industrielle de Cocody. I really never knew about it. Lucky that today we have to share a ride, come here, so that we are all able to learn. This, oh wow, this is ZIC. Wow guys, look here. Let me take it through here. Wow. Zone ZIC. This is beautiful. Look here. That's it. La Zone Industrielle de Cocody. Interesting. Can you go through? Oh, it's not. So this is normally one area in the making. So it's a new project. It's a new project. The entire area is really in the making. So if you are willing to invest early, where two projects have shared secrets, visit the ZIC website and come to do business in Abidjan. This is one industrial area. Beautiful guys. Look there. So it's an area in the making. Wow. Everywhere something is happening. Roads are new. This was wonderful guys. We've seen the ZIC. 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 Zone Industrielle Côte d'Ivoire. Very nice. So this is normally the industrial area. Over here, this is the ZIC. ZIC there. Beautiful. So I'm gonna go back. Oh, I'm gonna find the way here. Let's keep this track this side. Beautiful guys, can you see everywhere they are really building? Look, if I look there, everywhere they are busy building. Quite interesting, nice to see. This is where you need to come and invest. Come and invest your money in Africa, as you'll make more profit and you create normally job opportunities for the African community over here. That's nice, interesting. When we always talk about countries, we often talk about beautiful roads, cities, forget about the most important, that the economy. If we talk today about the economy of Ivory Coast, it's all about the industrial sector. And me, I took you. This is MIPA.
I love you, Mama.
This one here is a company that does animal feeds.
I love you, Mama.
This is for animal feed. All these trucks are here to collect animal feed, guys. So if you bring business, it means the market is there. See? If you bring business, that means the market is here. Africa is beautiful, it's good. This is those. Okay, I have to turn. Not gonna get inside. I'm gonna turn around here. I've ended our trip over here. I'm sure, guys, you enjoyed. So this one is this normally is for animal feed here. So animal feed. Look at these trucks, guys. They are waiting for the stock to go all over West Africa. So bring machinery. The market is here for animal feed. Nice, guys, and we might call it the end of a beautiful journey. I'm sure you enjoyed it. We still have a lot of companies on the other side. This is the industrial area in Abidjan. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up, comment, and let us know from where you are watching this video. This was nice, beautiful trip, informative. I'm sure you've seen it a lot. You've seen it all around la zone économique ou la zone industrielle Côte d'Ivoire. Guys, I think we're going back this way. Big sim. Here they make detergents, Javel, dishwashing liquid. It's made on the left hand side here. The next one, they make normally flammable gas for house use. In Sigma, I'm gonna take this road here. Sigma. At home, you guys, you know about Sigma. Only a cooking gas. It's made from here. Let us see if there are more companies. This is the gas normally. Wow. This is really the industrial area. Seems like this one here is So drinking water. Doing the bottling of drinking water here. I don't see the name. No name. I'm gonna try find a way. Companies, guys, are everywhere. Everywhere. This one here, they'll make sponge for the bed. What is a sponge for the bed? I'm sure you've seen it, Hola. This was, I've seen it a lot. Everywhere, new factories, new buildings, existing companies. Welcome to the industrial zone of Côte d'Ivoire. Bring your money, come and invest in Africa. Create jobs, opportunities. It's happening. It's not a joke. It's not a dream. You've seen it. It's happening everywhere. Sorry. Looking for a way out. Everywhere we see. Beautiful. Nice, guys. So you enjoyed the ride. That's it for today. We'll share another ride, another day, a new topic. Once more, welcome to Ivory Coast, the green city in Africa. Okay, let me just go straight. Then I'm gonna go on the other side. On the other side. This is green cassava. Guys, cassava is African vegetable. This is cassava. Le pondu. The cassava from Africa. Beautiful. That's normally the plant that gives us a cheque. Beautiful, beautiful everywhere. Sigma. That's where they make the gas. So we don't use charcoal in Abidjan for cooking. Gas really is available everywhere. And to refill one bottle of 12 kilograms, you pay about $9. And you can use it for the entire month. Instead of normally cutting trees to make charcoals. This normally is working in Abidjan as well. Story. So thank you for watching. You've seen it all. Next time we'll show you another industrial area. We have them a lot in Abidjan. Quite interesting. and inspiring for Africa. This is what Africa need to understand, that we must not keep on complaining. We must wake up and act. So you can see once again the new plant transfer the cacao. This is quite interesting there. This is the new plant. You can see, very nice. This is nice, beautiful and nice to see. Abidjan is moving. Abidjan is not waiting. Abidjan is doing the work. Very nice. Pick up and cut. Beautiful. Africa in the making for the future generations.